Have you ever sat in an auditorium listening to a speaker when suddenly a high-pitched screeching resonates through the room? That would be your brain melting. Okay, not really. That is an example of audio feedback. Feedback is a return of a signal to the original detector. Another type of audio feedback is between two cell phones. Take two mobiles, put them both on live calls, get them close together, and make some noise. The result is similar to falling through a small void. Followed by a small mouse with razor-sharp teeth gnawing at the outer edges of your brain. Or like the audio feedback of a microphone. But audio feedback is not what we're looking at today. Today we are looking at video feedback. You may be asking, well, what is video feedback? We decided to ask a few people first.
Video feedback. When I think of video feedback, I think of like a sound feedback kind of thing from an amp.
Video feedback, as I know it, could be two things. One thing video feedback is when you point a camera into a monitor and it just rings out to infinity, like an infinity box. That's really video feedback in a technical term. Try it sometime, it's pretty cool. Video feedback can also mean, I really didn't like your video.
Video feedback. The same concept as audio feedback applies, but instead, hook the camera up to the TV and point it directly at the screen. First, we hooked up a camera to an analog television. A similar result is discovered if you hook up a camera to a computer screen. Also, if you place two mirrors parallel to each other, that is not what happens. This is. With the camera at different angles, the image will change. At the right angle, the image formed will create a never-ending mirror reflection. At a 45-degree angle, also known as a Dutch angle in film, the image formed will be reminiscent of that of a curved hall. But we couldn't stop there. With the modern advancement of technology, our research required us to go a step further, so we moved to a news source. HD. With the HD television, it produced a completely different picture. It was slightly more reminiscent of the hippie movement. Psychedelic. Trinity. Deepens the way you look at the world. Apparently, that is what it's like on acid. But I wouldn't actually know. Those are the results of video feedback. So it seems that with our advancing technology, we are also advancing the simulation of drugs into imagination ways. Or just making films look really, really good at all. Do you know where else you can see video feedback?
What the hell am I looking at? When does this happen in the movie?
Now.
You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past then.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
When will then be now?
Soon.
And so concludes our investigation.